Hi, I'm Rillahan and you're watching Prenatal Foundations. Today we're going to explore camel pose. First, I'd like to show you baby camel. So come into a tabletop position on your mat. Take your knees as wide as your mat, let your big toes touch, and then float the hips towards the heels. Slowly walk the hands back towards yourself and keep walking them slightly behind you, letting the fingertips point towards the top of the mat. Your hips are still resting on your heels. As you inhale, gently lift the chest up, look up. And as you exhale, allow the head to release any amount. Inhale, lifting the chest up. And slowly begin to retrace your steps. Next, I'd like to show you quarter camel. And if you'd like to cushion up your knees and you have a folded blanket, go ahead and grab that now. Place that in the middle of your mat. And then come into a tabletop position. Two options for you here. You can keep your feet as they are, flush with the mat. Or you can tuck all 10 toes for more grounding, more stability. Then begin to walk the hands closer to yourself as you rise up for a kneeling position, shoulders over hips. And then take the hands to your low back, allowing the fingertips to point towards the floor. Feel the shoulder blades draw in towards one another, elbows draw in. And be cautious here not to crunch the low back. We're not trying to overextend here. We don't want to overstretch the abdominal muscles. So instead, we'll lead with our heart, drawing the heart upward and forward. As you inhale, lift up, look up. And as you exhale, allow the head to release. Inhale, keep driving the chest forward and up. One more inhale here. And as you exhale, bring the hands to the mat. Take the knees as wide as your mat. Big toes touch. Take a child's pose, rest. You can stack your forearms to rest your forehead on if you need a little more space for baby. So now you have a few options to add a back bend into your practice. And I really like both of these because you're in control of the intensity and we'll be sure not to overstretch our abdominal muscles. So next time you're practicing, I hope you can find what feels good for you. See you next time.